Maisarah.
I'm Aisha.
I'm Shaila.
We're from Sekolah Menengah Sains. Abdullah will be presenting the topic Blood Circulatory System in humans.
We hope with the help of this project of ours, you guys get to understand this topic better.
Without further ado, let's go.
I still cannot get this question right. It's been an hour.
Yes, I know, right? Aha, I know who to ask.
Who?
Which topic are you having problem with?
The blood circulatory system in humans.
This chapter is actually very easy. Come on, we'll show you how.
Syahila.
Okay, so let's start with the structures and functions of human heart. The human heart has 4 chambers, the left atrium and left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. We also have septum, in which function is to separate the left side and right side of heart.
That was already hard to process.
It is okay, Aisha. We will take it slow. Now let's move on to how the blood flows through our heart and carries oxygen for our whole body. Oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the left atrium through pulmonary vein. When the left atrium contracts, oxygenated blood is forced to flow into the left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, oxygenated blood is forced to flow out into aorta to be carried to all parts of the body except lungs. The oxygenated blood from the whole body enters the right atrium through vena cava, which is divided into 2, superior and inferior. When the right atrium contracts, the oxygenated blood is forced to flow into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, the oxygenated blood is forced to flow out into pulmonary artery to be carried to the lungs to oxygenate the oxygenated blood. Hold on, you forgot about the valves. Humans have 3 valves, the semilunar valves, bicuspid valves, and tricuspid valves. The semilunar valve's function is to ensure that blood flows only in one direction and not into the ventricles. As for bicuspid valve, allows the flow of blood in only one direction from left atrium into the left ventricle. Lastly, tricuspid valve allows the flow of blood in only one direction from right atrium to right ventricle.
Next, the main blood vessels. Basically, the blood vessels work as a highway for blood to carry oxygen and fluids through the whole body. There are 3 human blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. To make it simple, artery has thinner and muscular wall than vein, but capillary is the thinnest. Second, vein is the only blood vessel that has valve and large lumen, compared to capillary and artery that has no valve and small lumen. However, capillary has the smallest lumen. Vein and artery transports blood. As for capillary, they don't transport blood. However, they allow the exchange of gases, fluid and waste products via diffusion. Arterial circulations of blood flows rapidly under high blood pressure contrasted to capillary and vein. Therefore, artery is the only blood vessel that pulse can be detected.
Wow, that was a clear explanation, Aisha. Alright, without further ado, let's move on to the crucial part of this topic, the double blood circulatory system. Double blood circulatory system is made of 2 circulatory systems, the pulmonary circulatory system and systemic circulatory system. Pulmonary circulatory system moves blood between the heart and the lungs. As for systemic circulatory system, moves blood between heart and the rest of the body.
Now we understand. Thank you so much. Bye.
잘 지냈어요 모두